Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up text in Wix website. So for this, I am here on dashboard of Wix. In the left side, scroll down and go to settings. Once you click on settings, there you will find text option. Click on text and here, first of all, you need to add text location and then choose this option that text should be added at checkout. Okay, so to add text here, you need to upgrade your website. Once you upgrade it, then you will be able to collect text by per order.
Then we have location. So you need to add location. According to that, the text will be added on the order. Once the location is added, then scroll down and we have text setting. So choose text should be added at checkout.
So in this way, you can add text to Wix website. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.